Divide 651 by 3 in long division method. 3 times 2 is 6. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down this 5 and 3 times 1 is 3. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down this 1 and it is 21. So 3 times 7 is 21. On subtracting, we get 0. So 651 divided by 3 is 217. So this much for today and thanks for watching.